Okay, good morning everyone. So today we will be learning the following lessons in our statistics lesson for this morning. We are now on quarter 4, week number 4 of our Math 7, which entitled about organizing and presenting data. The objectives of our lesson is to determine the types of graphs to represent organized data and to construct graphs, pie chart, bar graph, and the line graph. First is we are going to describe things that are related to this lesson. When there is an information that are more effectively conveyed using pictures rather than words, these are called graphs. Okay, when we all know that words may convey different things or may convey informations that are very important. But there are times that words cannot be discussed. That some words are can't be expressed properly. So this is now the time that we will be using pictures instead. So these are called the graphs. The graphs are used to represent organized data. Okay, when you start with the graphs, there are different types of graphs. We have the pie chart, we have the bar graph, and we have the line graph. So how are we going to start to construct this pie chart? Today we will be learning just on the pie chart. Okay, pie chart. It is a circle graph. Okay, it is a circle graph divided into sectors proportional to the frequencies. It shows the division of a whole into its parts. In other words, gagawa daw tayo ng isang circle. From the word circle graph, magkakaroon tayo ng circle. Allow me to erase it again. So, gagawa daw tayo ng circle na kung saan i-divide natin ito according to the percentages that it has. Okay? Or the sectors na tinatawag. In proportional sectors rather. So, when you say proportional sectors, naka-percentage po siya in other words. And it is used to show the percentage of a quantity in each of the several categories. Take a look at this example number 1. So we have the number of students who are enrolled in Maximum High School. School year 2022, 2021, and 2022 are which are as follows. So we have grade 7 as 100, grade 9 as 200, grade 8 as 150, and grade 10 as 50. So the most appropriate graph to use on this data is called the pie chart. So how are we going to answer this one or to create a pie graph? We have the following steps. First, we are going to organize the data according to the tabular form. Take a look at this grade 7. So we have grade 7 is equals to the 100 students. So next, grade 8, 150, grade 9, 200, grade 10, 50. Itatabular daw po natin siya. Ibig sabihin, gagawa daw tayo ng table. So, listing all the data. So, if this is our table, yung grade level natin dito, grade level. So, we have the grade 7, 8, 9, 10, and of course, the total. So, ganon. Text the number of students, percentage, and the angle measure. So, measure of angle. So, allow me to use the symbol as angle. For the grade 7, we have 100 students. And the total of, for the grade 8 is 150. For the grade 9 is 200. For the grade 10 is 50. If we're going to add this, the total number is 500. So how are we going to get the percentages of this? Just follow this step. So 100 divided by 500, tapos nun equals nyo times 100 agad. Okay? So if we are going to use that one, 100 divided by 500 times 100 is equal to 20%. Okay? Next, 150 divided by 500 times 100 is 30%. 200 divided by 500 times 100 is equal to 40%. 50 divided by 500 times 100 is equal to 10%. To double check your answer, dapat po 100% ang total. 20 plus 30, 50 plus 40, 90 plus 10, 100. So that is 100%. So therefore, tama po ang pag-solve ninyo. Next, angle measure. Etong 20 po, gawin nyo siyang decimal. So magiging 0.2 na yan or 0.20. So 0.20, we all know that a one circle is equivalent to 360. Now, in this 300, ang isang circle po is 1 revolution is 360. Now, gagamitin natin itong 360 na ito para makuha yung angle measure. So, erase. So, we have 0.20, yan po yun, ito po siya, times 360, that is equivalent to the angle measure. In this case, 0.20 times 360, that is 72. So therefore, 72 degrees po yung sagot dyan. Yung 72 degrees na po yan po yung gagamitin natin ngayon sa compass or sa protractor natin na with angle measure na 72 degrees yung grade 7. Okay, next, the next one is 0.30 or 30% times 360. And the answer is 108 degrees. Okay, next, the fourth one, we have 4.40 times 360. The answer is 144 degrees. And so on and so forth, 36 degrees po dito sa kabila. Okay, now to double check your answer, if we are going to add them all, the total number is 360, or the total degree is 360. We have 72 plus 108 plus 144 plus 36. The answer is 360 degrees. So if that is correct, that is correct. So let's proceed now to our letter B. We are going to proceed now with our using the compass or the protractor. Okay? So with this data, gagamitin natin itong 72 degrees, 108 degrees, 144 degrees, and 36 degrees in constructing our graph. So let's start now construct our graph. Take a look at this example. So using your compass, I know you have already known how to use your compass or protractor. So okay, using your protractor, we all know that the whole circle is 100%. Tama? And the entirety of this is 360 degrees. So in this case, the grade 7 is, going back to our data, the grade 7 is 72 degrees. So using your compass and protractor, you're going to measure that one using the protractor that you have. So dito tayo mag-start. So yung protractor, ipi-place nyo po siya sa kung saan for example, dito nyo po ipi-place yung protractor ninyo. Measure kayo from 0 to 72 degrees. So in this case, parang ganun po yung mangyayari. Okay, that is 20%. Or you may use the percentage in order for you to make this one as your answer. So for example, for the grade 7, we have 20%. So we all know that the half of the circle is 50%. So therefore, ang kalahati niya is 25%, ang 1/4 niya is 25%. So kung 20%, dito lang siya. So dito lang ang 20% grade 7. So we name this one as grade 7. Next, the next data is 30% for grade 8. So we all know that half of it is 50%. So this is 20%. So mag-add lang tayo ng 30%. So kung half niya is 50, so 20 plus 30 magiging 50. Kaya half na ito siya dito. So we have 30% for our grade 8. Grade 8. Next, 40% naman po sa ating grade 9. So this is 50% ang natitira. So 40% po dito, grade 9. And the 10% goes to grade 10. Okay, ganun lamang po gumawa ng ating graph or ng ating pie graph. And do not forget the name of our graph. Figure, allow me to change it. Graph number 1, graph 1. The title is pie graph of, going back to our given. So we have the number of students enrolled in Maximum High School. The pie graph of the number of students, enrolled in Maximum High, Maximum High School. Okay, ganyan lang po yung paggawa ng ating title ng graph. Okay? So, in this case, I would like you to answer the activity on this. So, let us see. I would like you to answer number 2 of our activity number 1. The number of the seniors club elected officers. There are 4 candidates for the president and 100 members voted. This is the result of the election. Ray, 25 votes. Rhea, 5 votes. Roland, 20 votes. And Robert, 50 votes. So, gawan niya siya ng pie graph na tinatawag. Only answer number 2 of activity number 1. Okay, this is our performance task number 2. So, I hope you got our lesson and you were able to grasp the ideas. So goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.